9015 on the Disney Treasure, which is a standard inside room. And this one has already been turned down for the night. So you can see what that looks like with a great up theme back there. So this stateroom sleeps 3. Couch is turned down and there is no pull down up there. So, but you can see how much space there is. There's a curtain here to draw back between. There is a refrigerator in here, just like all the rooms. Closet with a safe. And there is not a split bathroom in these standard inside rooms. There's still a very good sized tub. And there you have it.